This is the month of January. 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 It is also abbreviated as Jan. Jan. It is the first month of the year. January has 31 days. This is the month of February. 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 It is also abbreviated as Feb. Feb. It is the second month of the year. February has 28 days. This is the month of March. 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 It is also abbreviated as MAR. It is the third month of the year. It has 31 days. This is the month of April. April. It is also abbreviated as APR. It is the fourth month of the year. April has 30 days. This is the month of May. 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 It is the fifth month of the year. May has 31 days. This is the month of June. 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 It is abbreviated as JUN. It is the sixth month of the year. June has 30 days. This is the month of July. July. It is abbreviated as JUL. It is the seventh month of the year. July has 31 days. This is the month of August. 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 It is abbreviated as AUG. It is the eighth month of the year. It has 31 days. This is the month of September. 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 It is abbreviated as SEP. It is the ninth month of the year. It has 30 days. This is the month of October. 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 It is abbreviated as OCT. It is the 10th month of the year. It has 31 days. This is the month of November. 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 It is abbreviated as NOV. It is the 11th month of the year. November has 30 days. This is the month of December. December. It is abbreviated as DEC. It is the last or the 12th month of the year. It has 31 days.